We can hear the little voice.
When I was a little boy, Joe Louis knocked out Max Smelling in New York City. Black folks right in New Orleans dancing the streets all night long.
Look at that, put it back on.
Become heavyweight champion of the world.
Drop.
Joe Louis had the glory that night, but he didn't keep it to himself. He passed